Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of Bites and Breaks. For today, itatry natin yung dinner buffet sa Seasonal Tastes at the Westin Manila. So tara, sama kayo, kain tayo! Okay, nandito na tayo sa Westin Manila. So, papunta na tayo dun sa Seasonal Taste Restaurant. Okay, we're here at Seasonal Taste Restaurant. Pasok na tayo. Hello. Okay, sige. Oh. Okay, thank you. Hello, good evening.
The dessert station.
Okay. Oh, nice. Is it seafood night tonight?
Yes.
Okay.
And grill station, Western's, and one dish wonder po is Project of Marriott International po.
Oh,
Small portion of food.
okay.
Pwede po lang orderin pa ng a la carte.
A la
portion
carte.
po.
Okay.
Small portion lang po.
I see, okay. Is this our table?
Yes.
Thank you.
Table 205.
Okay. Thank you po. Okay, so eto na yung table natin. Ikot na tayo. Let's check out the food. Since malapit na tayo dito sa dulo, dito na tayo mag-start. Oh, nice. This is the cheese station. Yan, iba't ibang klase ng cheese and cold cuts. And dito naman, different types of fruits. And this is the salad station. And tonight is seafood night. So ayan, they have crab, mussels, there's shrimp. Ito ano to? Hindi ko alam, pero some type of mussel din. Tsaka ito, hindi ko rin kabisado kung ano to. Alright, let's check out the rest. Dito naman yung make your own pasta station nila. Okay, here we have pampano, roasted whole chicken, pudding, vegetable mashed potato, and Australian beef rump. And ito, pwede mong ipaluto. Like pork, chicken inasal, pork barbecue, and vegetable kebab. Then over here, they have the shrimp and vegetable tempura, pork asado, soy chicken, Hainanese chicken, grilled tuna teriyaki, pork caldereta. And then here they have chicken katsu, and Hainanese rice. And this one, yung dim sum. Thank you po. And this is their noodle station. So, there's laksa. Nice. And here we have salmon sushi, tuna sushi, kani, and iba't ibang makis. And this is their dessert station. So, chocolate moist cake, keto cheesecake, keto brownies, cassava cake, sapin-sapin, puto, egg tart, and then chocolate fountain. Hindi pa lang naka-on. And they have, ito pa, Japanese cheesecake. Nice. Yung iba wala pang label. Kasi maaga tayong nakapasok. Ayan. In fairness, so far so good. And they have, ano to? This is their ice cream. So, yung ube, sugar-free siya. And that's avocado. This one, ito, strawberry ice cream. And I think they have yung ito. Wala pa lang, yung house signature ice cream. And they have make your own halo-halo. Ito rin yung different types of wine selections nila. That's the price list. Dito naman yung plant-based appetizers nila. Tofu teriyaki, mushroom poppers, tofu burrito, pumpkin hummus, chickpea hummus, and beetroot hummus. And this is their bread station. And pumpkin soup and duck soup. Ayan, okay, so naikot na natin siya. That's the spread for tonight. And we'll start eating in a few minutes. Okay, ito ang first round natin. We got the beef, roasted chicken, pudding, and tempura. Tapos dito naman, we have the Hainanese chicken, soy chicken, pork asado, and pork caldereta. And this is Hainanese rice. Kain na tayo! Okay, excited ako dito sa beef. Kasi may combination siya ng fat and meat. Pakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang. Oopsie. Yung fat, ayan. Ang hirap niyang tinidorin, pero yeah. There it is. Okay, una nating itry itong beef. Excited ako dito kasi there's the fat. Grabe. Ang sarap ng beef. Wala pang sauce yun, ha. Try natin with the peppercorn sauce. Ang sarap ng beef. Natikman mo naman. Here. Ang sarap. Malasa siya, maalat, tapos malambot. Nagparuto rin pala tayo ng pesto. But before that, try natin tong tempura nila. Yes. Thank you.
Singaporean.
Yeah. Sakto. This is our Singaporean crab. Pinaluto natin siya. So, pipili kayo doon ng seafood tapos papaluto nyo. May binibigay silang papel. It looks like this. Ayan. So, nakalagay kung ano yung luto. Oh my God. Alright. Ito na tayo sa tempura. Uy, masarap. Sa'yo. So far, so good. Sakto lang yung ng ano niya, batter niya. Now, let's go with the roasted chicken. This is what I'm talking about. Dapat, yung roasted chicken, hindi lang sa balat yung lasa, pati yung laman. And this, may lasa pati yung laman niya. Malambot pa. Sakto lang din yung soy sauce and herbs. Sarap. Happy ako so far, ah. No, so far good lahat. Ayan na sila. Good. Lahat so far good. Yeah. Mano, ano masarap? Yun lang. Kamahal. Good. Okay. All of them are raving about the pork asado. Masarap daw. Try natin. Ay, oo nga. Para kung nasa Hong Kong, ha. Kung ano yung lasa doon, ganun nga siya. Wala pa yung sauce nito, ha. Hindi ko pa nalagay. Next natin is the soy chicken.
Yan, masarap.
Good. Mild lang yung soy chicken niya. Pero good pa rin. Next, Hainanese. Here it is. Yung Hainanese niya, tsaka soy, medyo matabang. Pero kasi may mga additional sauce pa, hindi ko pa nilagyan. Pag hinalo mo na yung ginger, it's really good. May straw ba sila? Okay, tikman natin yung house blend iced tea nila. So dito, yung regular, there's 1 round of iced tea or coffee ata. Tapos additional, I think 300 for unlimited iced tea and coffee. I mean, and soda. Ayan, sarap.
Butter garlic shrimp.
Yeah, thank you. Ito na lang pa. Sige, you can take this out. Okay, dumating na yung ating butter garlic shrimp. Pinaluto rin natin to. Okay, mamaya na yan. Okay, ang next natin is the pork caldereta. Ang laki nito, big bite. Ito siya. Hindi ko ganun type yun kasi maasim siya. Matomato yung lasa niya. Okay, ready na tayo for the second round. So we have the Singaporean crab, and then pesto pasta, and ano nga ba to? Butter garlic, no? Butter garlic shrimp. Ang laki ng shrimp nila. Tiger prawns na nga ata to eh. Tapos ang sarap din ng house blend iced tea nila. Okay, let's start with pesto. Grabe. Ang sarap.
Try mo lang.
Saktong-sakto yung lasa ng pesto, tsaka yung mixture ng cheese. Sakto yung alat niya, tsaka yung pagka-herbs niya. Ang sarap. So far, lahat masarap so far. Ayan. So, struggling ako sa pagbalat. Siya na raw magbabalat. Thank you! Eto na. Pinagbalat na tayo ni P-Boy. Let's taste it. Ito lang masasabi ko. Fresh. Alam mo yung texture niya, yung intact, medyo makunat, firm siya, tapos matamis, ang sarap. Yan, waiting pa tayo dun sa isang balat niya. Pero habang binabalatan niya, nagbabalat din ako. Yan, yay! One more. Sarap. Pati yung ano pati yung service nila dito so far, okay na okay din. Very attentive sila. Next. Crab. Thank you. Mahal ito naman. Just give me the meat. Oh, ayan, may tutorial tayo. See? Kaya ayoko ng crab eh. Paano?
Kutsara yun. Gamitin mo ng kutsara. Ano?
Wait. Okay. Ay, hindi pa. Alright, eto na yung crab. See, kaya ayoko ng crab kasi ang hirap niyang kainin. Hindi ko gusto yung lasa niya. Hindi talaga ako mahilig sa crab. Tinry ko lang siya. Pero, siguro, nalalasahan ko yung may lansa na konti. 'Di ba? Sige, try pa natin ulit. One more. Yeah. Prominent yung lansa. No? I don't like the crab. Ano yan, mahal?
Sobrang sarap ng pampano.
Sobrang sarap daw ng pampano. Walang kalansa-lansa. Fresh. Nice. Okay, so, ano ba na? Third round. We have the seafood platter. So, apparently, kada group, you would get a seafood platter. So, may lobster, may crab, may shrimp, elephant mussel, and hindi ko lang alam kung anong luto to. But, yeah. That's per group. And then, we have the dim sum. And, ito yung laksa nila. Okay. I-try natin tong sa may lobster. Like oh my God, mainit pa siya. It has the cheese on top. Oh my gosh, look. Siyempre, hindi ko na makakainin lahat to. Ito lang. Oh my God. Ang sarap.
Lagyan mo ng sauce ng mashed potato.
Sobrang sarap ng lobster tsaka ng cheese.
Yung mushroom.
It's so good.
Sarap ng steak.
Ito yung masarap. Siguro, medyo yung lobster, kasi di ba yung unang kain natin ng lobster, mahal, ang tingin natin parang lasang elevated crab. Di ba, para siyang ganon. But this one is really good, lalo na may cheese. Wow. And let's try this, Hindi pa ako nakakain ito. Ang tawag nila dito, elephant mussel. Kinakain din ba pati ito? Kinakain yon? Lahat? Okay. Na nga. Yung sauce na, tapos chewy lang siya.
Hindi talaga yun.
Yeah. Okay. That's it for the seafood. Let's move on to dim sum. Ang init pala. Mainit pa siya. Pero, yeah, ang laki. Oh my God. Okay. Next natin is the pork shumai. Ay, wala pala tayo sa Hong Kong shumai lang. Pork shumai.
Wala ko rin.
Good din. Next natin. Hakaw. So far, good din. Nabubusog na ako. And then last. Not last, but next is the siopaw. Itsura pa lang gusto ko na. I think yung parang Hong Kong. Oh yeah. Ganda yung gusto ko. Gaya ng siopaw sa Hong Kong. Next is laksa. Kaso natakot talaga ako sa laksa nila. Parang concentrated, no? Ang lasa nito. Luin muna natin.
Ano? Ang panglakas sila.
Pero ang bango, ha?
Pangbukas ng lasa.
Hindi man siya ganun kaanghang. Medyo matabang ng konti siya for me.
So, garlic.
Yeah. Kulang siya sa linamnam. Ang laksa. Let's try the noodles. Oh. At yun ang angahang. Grabe. Kahit gustuhin ko pang kumain. Wala, busog na talaga ako. Tapos ang sarap pa nung house blend ice din nila. Kaya lalong hindi tayo makakain. But, there's always room for dessert. Ito yung dessert natin. So we have the egg tart. This is the brownie. This is chocolate cake. And then they have the cheesecake. This is pecan pie and lemon. Lemon something. I forgot. Pero yeah, let's taste it. Grabe. Sobrang busog na ako. Pero you know what it means kapag nandito na si Cyril. Dessert time. Ito na yung dessert natin. So, si Cyril ang magde-decide anong una. Oh, which one?
You first.
Me first? Okay. What do you want me to try first? Oh, ito yung gusto niya. Yung ano, parang lemon. I think it's gonna be sour. It's so cute, right? Ito siya. So cute. Let's try. Ooh, it's soft.
Cake.
But the last layer is a bit tough. It's like,
It looks
Cake.
like bread.
yeah.
It's sour.
Not really. But it's pleasant.
Try it with the green one.
With the green one, the leaf,
Yeah, the leaf.
hindi siya ganun kaasim. Malamig siya sa bibig. Try natin yung may leaf daw. I think it's just it's just candy. Yung parang green. Yeah. Yeah. It is it's candy. I think it's what do you call that? Like, I forgot the name. Oh, ang sarap ng filling sa loob.
Me?
Yeah. Yeah. Ito, may filling siya sa loob. Ang sarap. I like the texture. It's like cream.
Okay, so my turn.
Okay, it's Cyril's turn.
I wanna try.
This one, try the lemon.
No, wait.
You don't like it? Okay, which one is next? What do you want next? How about the egg tart? This one.
You try it.
Okay, I'll try the egg tart first.
Is it egg?
Mm-hmm.
I'll try.
It's good.
Salty?
No?
It's
It's good. Try it. You like the crust? No. Just bite the crust, you'll like it.
I don't want.
You don't want. Ayan na. But this is good. Ano siya? Ano niyo yung, hindi siya katulad nung egg tart sa bake house ha. Pero it's like, medyo ginaya nila. So good yung yung egg tart niya. Masarap yung filling niya. Tapos, flaky din naman siya kahit papano. Iniwan na ako ni Cyril. Hey, are you gonna be back? Okay, come here. How about you try the brownie? Di ba you like brownie?
Try that.
Okay, show it. Show them the brownie.
A little.
Show them the brownie. Yan. Up. There you go. That's the brownie. Okay, you eat it.
With the marshmallow?
Of course.
What is this?
Hmm?
Oh, it's cream.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oops. Good. Oh, how about the actual brownie? Good. It's good. Okay, let me try. Let me try
It's
them.
like soft.
It's soft.
The
Okay.
inside.
Oh, you like chewy brownies, right? Mm. Oh yeah. It's good.
Okay, your turn.
Okay.
Try this.
The
This one.
the chocolate cake. Okay.
Yeah, looks cute.
Let's show them. I don't want to touch it because I don't want to get my hands sticky. But there's a chocolate cake. Okay. Oh my god! I dropped it. Buti na lang may nakasalo na ano.
This one.
Na cover, yeah. Okay, let's try. I'm always dropping desserts.
Yeah,
Okay.
real though.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? It's dark chocolate cake.
Really?
Yeah. And hindi siya sobrang malambot. Medyo ano siya, dense ng konti yung cake. What's that? Oh, the
It
chocolate.
has gold. Showed.
Okay. Your turn. Okay. Are you gonna use your hands? Okay, go.
I like it.
What's the face again? Do the face.
Another.
Yeah. Okay, good.
I have gold on my hands.
Oh, okay, here you go. Okay. Next, I will try the Hero cheesecake. Okay. It's not that appealing to me. I like cheesecake, but I don't like cheesecake with fresh fruits. But let's
I
try.
don't want to try that.
You don't want to try it? See? Oh, see?
What?
Ang asim.
The what? Cherry? Cherry?
The jam.
You're done this one, sir? Oh.
It's so sour.
Wait, what does the jam taste like? I never tasted jam.
Taste it.
Sour.
Okay, and the last one, pecan pie. Wanna try it? No? There's the last one. I'll try it.
Ano?
It's not too sweet.
Ito ba?
There you go. I've tasted the pecan.
Yung regular.
The what?
It's good. Sakto lang siya.
Pro yun, parang lang.
So, overall, sa dessert, I like the lemon one. Forgot the name talaga.
75 max.
And the egg tart and the brownie. How about you? Oh. Yeah, that's my water.
What? Wait, what is this?
Ang bait ni Surilo, binigyan niya ako ng water. Thank you, Suril.
Okay, guys, that's for dessert. That's my segment. Bye.
Bye! See you later, Suril.
Shout out to Kaja.
Okay, yun muna sa dessert. May ice cream. Try pa natin yung ice cream.
Hey, shout out to Kaja.
Oh, hi, Kaja. Oh, hi, Kaja. You're there.
I just
We have a special guest tonight. Hi, Kaja. Ang best friend is Suril. Are you happy?
yeah.
Okay, we're down to our last entry for tonight. Ice cream na tayo. Ay, naghalo na siya. So, I have the cheese and ube ice cream. Try muna natin yung cheese. Ang lambot ng cheese nila. Wait. Ala, ang sarap ng cheese. Creamy, cheesy, ang sarap. Try natin yung avocado. Buti na lang, ano to, avocado and cheese. Perfect combination. Yung avocado. Natabunan na ng cheese. Hindi siya lasang artificial. Sarap. Nag-ano ka na? Ice cream? Sarap. I love the cheese. Ang sarap. Okay, so tapos na tayong kumain. Magkano ba yung dinner buffet dito sa The Westin Manila? So, yung rate niya for Friday to Sunday dinner is 3,600. And then if you want additional unlimited iced tea and soda, additional 300 siya. So, sulit ba siya? Actually, isa to sa buffet na masasabi ko na sulit siya kasi high quality and you get unlimited seafood. So, okay siya. Yung service nila, yung quality of food, masarap. Sobrang konti lang yung hindi ko nagustuhan. Or hindi naman sa hindi nagustuhan, pero medyo matabang. Or the taste wasn't to my liking. Pero overall, lahat masarap. Plus, their service is top-notch. As in talaga, grabe. Sobrang asikaso kami. And here's the best part. 50% off sila sa video credit card. So, malaking tipid yun. So, habol na kayo for your end-of-year parties. I highly recommend this place. Kain kayo dito. Ikaw, mahal. Sulit ba? Sobrang sulit. How about you, Manu? Sulit? Yeah? How about you, Ma?
Oo, dami ko nakain.
Dami mo na. Sulit. Sisters? Sulit? Good? 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 Patrick, good? Alright, so anyway, that's it for tonight. Uuwi na kami. We'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!